Now that you have entered your time cards, calculated checks and overhead, and reviewed the check register report, it is time to create the direct deposit NACHA file for payroll to send to the bank. In the main cabinet, go to Payroll, click on Check Print NACHA File, select the bank account and pay period. If the start employee and end employee are not specified, then it will select all employees for this pay period. Enter the check date. Should you need to send an additional direct deposit NACHA file over to your bank, you can select a range of check numbers by entering a start check number and end check number. Click Preview to view the file on your screen. Then select the text file format option, which is the file format required by your bank. This will create a .txt file saved under your Downloads folder that can be uploaded to your bank's website for processing. Click Close when done.